In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in Evernote. Two-factor authentication, often called 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your account. Instead of just using your password, you'll also need a temporary code, usually from your phone. This makes it much harder for someone else to break into your notes, even if they somehow discover your password. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click, explain what's happening, and share a few tips along the way. First, open Evernote in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You should see your profile area, usually showing your name or your initials along with your avatar. Go ahead and click on your profile name there. This opens up a small menu related to your account. From that menu, you'll see an option labeled Account Info. Click on Account Info to open your account settings. This is where Evernote keeps all the important details related to your account, such as your plan, your email address, and various security settings. It may open in a new tab or a new panel, depending on how Evernote is currently set up in your browser. Inside the account settings, look for a section called Summary. If you see multiple tabs or sections, make sure you click on Summary to bring it into focus. The Summary page gives you an overview of your account, and it's typically where options related to two-factor authentication are displayed. On the Summary page, locate the security area that mentions two-factor authentication. Here, you should see an option or button labeled Enable. Click on Enable to start the setup process. From this point, Evernote will guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts carefully. You'll usually be asked to confirm your email, verify your identity, and then link a mobile phone number or an authenticator app. Take your time reading each message on screen. Evernote may also provide backup codes. Make sure you save those backup codes somewhere secure, because they can help you get back into your account if you ever lose access to your phone. Once you complete the on-screen steps, your two-factor authentication will be active. The next time you sign in, you'll use both your password and the verification code, keeping your notes safer and more protected.